Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm here to show you my solar shed we made. Here's all the net meters. It'll show the solar amount sold and how much used, quick disconnects. It's 11 by 13. Built it myself. Nice 9-12 walls. We can go inside and see what you think. SMA inverter, 3800 US. It's got the off-grid capabilities. Hit the switch, show 1500 watts out of your outlet. I have the charger here for electric cars, or at least the outlet. It'll only do 16 amps, but you can charge your car like a Chevy Volt or a Tesla. Just adjust it to 12 amps or 15, depends on the weather. But if the meter will show days you're not here, so if you get 80 kilowatts in reserve on your meter, you'll be able to pull that out. So like on a Saturday, Sunday, come back on Monday, you'll have a credit of 60 kilowatts, so you can just charge up your car at the full power, 40 amps, because it's running right off the grid power. We just have an aerial. Then we run the aerial down. And I'll show you the back here, but so it's pretty nice. 11 by 13, 13 long, 11 wide. So you can get your lawnmowers in there pretty easy. If you have any questions, there's like an older shed, and here's how a new shed would work. Got Canadian solar panels, 330 watts. So today it's cloudy. We're getting 299 watts and it's cloudy out. She's hooked in 2 series, so the volts don't go higher than 480, because the winter time you can get over 10% higher voltage. Got the DC shut off. SMAs. Thanks for watching.